Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Telegram with a proxy. Using a proxy server can significantly boost your online privacy and help you access Telegram in regions with restrictions. It acts as an intermediary, routing your internet traffic through a different server, which masks your true IP address. This process adds an extra layer of security and anonymity to your messaging. When choosing a proxy, you'll primarily encounter SOCKS 5 and MT Proto options. SOCKS 5 is a versatile protocol, widely supported and effective for general use. MT Proto, on the other hand, is Telegram's native proxy protocol, often offering better integration and performance. You can obtain proxy details from various providers, some free, others requiring a small subscription fee. To set up a proxy on your desktop, first open Telegram and navigate to the Settings menu. From there, select Data and Storage, then click on Proxy Settings. Choose your desired proxy type, such as SOCKS 5 or MT Proto. You'll then need to input the server address, port number, and any authentication credentials like a username and password if required by your proxy provider. For mobile users, the process is quite similar. Open your Telegram app, go to Settings, and then tap on Data and Storage. Next, select Proxy Settings and choose to add proxy. Enter the server address, port, and any necessary login information provided by your proxy service. Once all details are correctly entered, simply save your changes, and your Telegram traffic will now be routed through the proxy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.